In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Supabase connection string. Whether you're setting up a new project or need to configure an existing one, knowing how to locate your connection string is crucial for seamless database connectivity. Let's dive in and get you connected. First, you'll want to head over to the Supabase website. Open your preferred web browser and type in supabase.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. This will take you to the main Supabase dashboard where all your projects are listed. Once you're on the dashboard, you need to select the specific project you're working with. Simply click on the project from the list. This action will open up a detailed view of your project, showcasing various options and settings you can configure to suit your needs. With your project now open, look towards the top of the page for a button labeled Connect. This is typically located in the navigation menu or toolbar. Clicking on Connect will present you with several connectivity options for your project. After clicking Connect, you'll see an option that says Direct Connection String. Select this option. The connection string is a crucial piece of information that allows your application to communicate with the database securely and directly. By choosing the direct option, you're opting for a straightforward way to access this information. Next, you'll be prompted to select a connection method. Supabase offers several methods depending on the type of application or environment you're working in. Take a moment to review the options provided. If you're unsure which method to choose, consider what your application requires or consult with your development team for guidance. Finally, you need to select the type of connection. Supabase supports various database types and configurations. Ensure you select the type that matches your project's database setup. This step is important because selecting the incorrect type could lead to connectivity issues or improper database operations. And there you have it. You now know how to find your Supabase connection string. Remember, this string is vital for your application's database connectivity, so keep it secure and accessible only to those who need it. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to the Supabase support team or consult the extensive documentation available on their website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and happy coding.